As coach, back here again with you, 102nd today. Uh, it was said to be impossible. We are making it possible in millions of lives all over the world. Today, the challenge is how do we break out of debt and how do we break out of poverty? And we are making it possible in lives. We are loving the testimony we are receiving. This 102nd day, are you still doubting? Are you still on the wayside? Math, which we know is the law behind all laws, which we know is the science behind every science and technology, is what you're using. No other power are we using. And the question of the day is this: how would the generations remember you? And how would generations remember us? How would generations remember you? And how would generations remember us? What are we doing? And how are we doing it? What are you doing? And how are you doing it? You see, don't wait until your deathbed for you to know that you have served in vain. Some people will be used, their time will be used, their energy will be used. If somebody is using you and paying you, there's no problem. But let me tell you the real truth. Some people are being used, deliberately used, well calculatedly used in order to useless them. How would the generations, how would your own children remember you? Did you come to a point where you said, wait a minute, I've been planting here, I've been doing all things, I've been giving my time here, but somebody is the one who has been reaping from it? Would your, would your generation remember you as a loser? Rule of the thumb. There was a time in history when men were being shipped to come here and serve their fellow man. Doing that service in the plantation, in the railway, in the house, they were not paid. Similar things happens in most of our temples, in most of our altars. You are not paid. The one who sent you this very message wants you to be paid. The definition of somebody not getting paid is that you're a slave. Indentured servitude. That is the beautiful name given to it. Indentured servitude. On Monday, you are there singing praises to a champion. Maybe in Rome, maybe in heaven, maybe in paradise. After singing, you are not getting paid. Somebody's getting paid. One who sent you here wants you to get paid for your sweat, for your efforts. How would the generations, your own children, remember you? What did you plant on earth? Are you planting a tree that is ornamental, cosmetic, beautifies the earth? That is good. That is good. We at LTB Light Team, we love ornamental trees that beautifies the earth, that grants shades to all humanity. It is good. But we also want you to plant fruitful trees. What I mean by fruitful trees is trees that your generations can come and they can pluck from it and it will sustain their existence on earth. Fruit trees, orange trees, mango trees, apple trees. In the ancient world, it used to be that when a child is born, as a symbol, as a remembrance of that very date, a tree is planted. It does two things. That tree will have something that will grow at the age after 20 years, will begin to sustain that very child. And that child will be proud to say, this is my own tree. How would your generations, how would your own children, how would they remember you? I want you to go and rewrite your history today. Math is a powerful force that led you here today. I don't know who sent you this very video, but that led you here today wants you to complete this very rite, this very ritual. Follow the link below. Follow the star within us, inside us. Let it guide you. Be brave. Okay, very quickly. From the Bible of the Old Testament, from the ancients, from the most powerful people that ever lived this very earth, the ones that formed the foundation of the Great Pyramids, build its great fruits. Okay, build a perfect pyramid, a pyramid that is not broken, a pyramid that lives to the honor of every generation. Very quickly, and from the New Testament, look at this very pyramid here. Do not be one of these losers here serving in vain, creating hell. You can see the flame of hell surrounding them. Download it. If you download any of our books, you're going to read that very Bible. You're going to paste it on your bed so that you see it every morning when you wake up. Okay? Distance is no longer a barrier for us to know the truth. Color is no longer a barrier. Language is no longer a barrier for us to know the truth. You cannot continue to chant misery or to murmur or to complain all the days of your life. Go and do the right thing, and the right thing will follow you. Thank you so much as we are signing off on this 102nd day, and do be well. Thank you.